Okay, let's try analyze this for 1,000. The bar graph shows the distribution of Bedrock Community College's student body by age and degree program. Which of the following statements can be inferred from the graph? Hey, look at that. I actually used the word inferred this time. Okay, so again, this is not math here. We're looking at just a deep reading and an inference. So we're going to go through these one by one and you're going to tell me no or maybe. But before we do, shame on me. Let's take a look at what's going on the graph. Somebody be kind enough to read me the title of this graph.
Declaration by age range.
Beautiful. Now I'm a little mad at myself because I don't see axes labeled, but I do see a couple of things. I see the key. So I see what the colors mean up there. It says blue means certificate program, red means associate of arts, and yellow means associate of science. Then I see these numbers at the bottom, and that's good because I noticed that they're ranges, right? 16 to 19, 20 to 29. That gives me a big clue based on the title of this graph, which says declaration by age range. I guess at the bottom, we're looking at what? What do these numbers represent?
I want to say age.
Absolutely. We got some ages or age range down there. Okay, now the other one's not numbered at all. So I'm just going to have to go ahead and assume the bar graph shows the distribution of Bedrock's Community College's student body by age and degree program. I'm going to have to guess that's the students then, if it's the distribution of the student body. Okay, lovely. Now we'll do our no or maybes, now that I actually took the time to look at the graph. A, Bedrock students are required to declare a degree program upon enrollment. No or maybe. And remember, an inference is an assumption, but it's a logical assumption, one that you could point to someplace on the graph and say, yeah, this might be true because that.
No.
No.
No. Okay. Too far of a stretch? Okay. B, the population of the city of Bedrock is primarily under 30 years of age.
No.
Maybe.
No, maybe. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay. C, the majority of Bedrock College's students are under 30 years of age. Oh, that sounds similar. What's the difference there?
The college student, because it didn't say whether the students go to college or not.
Yes, absolutely. That's the difference between the two. One of them just talks about the city of Bedrock. One of them talks about the majority of the students from Bedrock. So is that a no or a maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I agree. D, Bedrock has more certificate programs than similarly sized colleges in the same state. No or maybe?
No.
Maybe.
So I heard a no. If you have a no, why do you want to throw this one away?
Because it doesn't stay in the graph. It doesn't talk about a different state.
Yeah, it's a pretty far inference from this. How we don't even know how many certificate programs we have. All we know is certificate programs are blue. Bedrock could have one, it could have 50, it could have 173, much less knowing about other colleges. Yeah, this one, I agree with you guys, it's just silliness. Okay, so that brings us down to B and C. So which one has more evidence from the graph? Which one would be more easily supported with this graph?
C.
C, absolutely. The graph is about the college. We definitely see a lot of enrollment from these younger age ranges at the college. That would be a decent inference from this graph.